Hey, what's up, Eddie? Okay, first of all, I want to tell you, check out my hair. I dyed it, okay? It's black now. And now with the beard and shit, I look really, like, sketchy. I like it. Okay, I haven't, like, done the homework yet. I was playing Call of Duty. Maybe you can even hear my Xbox. So, I'm gonna try to wing this one. We'll see how it goes. Alright. 6A. I haven't read that. 6:30. 6A. Tangent y equals sin x. Origin. Alright. Origin means, 0, 0. So if you draw the sine of x, 1, 2, 3, 4, we joy. Okay? So origin's right here. So let's extend this back over here. Alright? Now, you got the origin. Just want to let you know. So origin, x equals to 0, right? X equals 0, y equals 0. Wait, is it one? Oh, equation of tangent. Great. Okay. So, first thing you do is find slope, like you have always been doing, is take the derivative. Y prime equals, okay, sine of x is cosine of x. That's just something you have to learn. Alright, so that's your slope. Now you plug in your x value to get the actual slope. So cosine of 0 is 1. That's, let me write that out. That's just back from your unit circle, angles. Cosine of 0 angles is 1. Yeah. So there you go. So that means that your slope is equal to 1. Now, you have a point because you have x equals 0, y equals 0 because you're at the origin, right? So 0 equals to 0 times 1 plus 0, or plus b. 0 times 1 is 0. 0 equals b. So that means y equals to x because your slope is 1, right? You determine that. Plus b equals 0, so y equals x. And if you think about it, draw the tangent, it's y equals x, right? Alright, that's it. Alright. 6c. You want the normal. I'm going to write that over here because I always forget that it's normal and I don't switch to slope. I mean, normal is just evil. Normal is basically like saying, hey, do you remember reading the problem when you're doing your problem? Or do you forget about it? And I usually forget about it, so write it out, I guess. Y equals cosine of x. At the point where x equals to pi over 6. Now, pi over 6 is 30 degrees, right? No. Yeah. So, what's cosine of 30 degrees? Well, Eddie, it is square root 2 over 2. Shit, I don't know trig. Let me get my calculator and make sure that's right. Alright, yeah. No. Cosine of 30, square root of 2 divided by 2. No. Square root of 3. Yeah. Whoops. Square root of 3 over 2. Don't let anyone see this that I did that mistake. Alright. So yeah, same thing as always. Find the slope, take the derivative. Y prime equals negative sine of x. That's again just something you have to know. Derivative of sine is cosine. Derivative of cosine is negative sine. Negative sine is negative cosine. And then negative cosine goes back to sine. So you got, if you want to write this down actually, this is pretty useful. So sine, here, I'll do that like this little chart. F of x, f prime of x. Alright, sine of x turns into cosine of x. Alright? Cosine of x turns into negative sine of x. Negative sine of x turns into negative cosine of x. Negative cosine of x into sine of x. Jot this down if you want. The light is kind of blurring it. Let me see which light it is. Nope, that didn't help at all. Okay. Excellent. Yeah, you can see it. Okay. So you have sine of x. So now you plug in your x value. So you have y prime equals to negative sine of 30. The sine of 30 is 1/2. Negative is negative 1/2. So y prime equals to negative 1/2. Oh, goddamn, wait a second. It's a normal, so you get y prime is equal to 2. Opposite reciprocal. So that means that m is equal to that. So you know, say square root of 3 over 2 equals to 2 times x pi over 6 plus b. Crap. You know what? I don't want to deal with this algebra, so I'm going to use point slope form instead. This was slope intercept. Again, you can use both, but if you use point slope form, you don't have to like mess with it. You can just leave it how it is. I personally just learned y-intercept, so I use it all the time. But since it takes both, I don't care. It's y1 or y minus y1. So y minus square root of 3 over 2 equals to m2 times x minus. Alright? Yeah, that's right. Oh shit, I'm doing my math problems. Okay, I'm getting a call for IB math problems for higher level math. Hold up, I'll just answer real quick. Okay. This is your answer, this is it, right? 6A, 6C. Okay, you're good? If you have any more questions, let me know. I gotta go. See ya.